Hello. Let me check the sound. Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay, so let's start. So, hello everyone. Today is 16th of January. Uh, so, as we all discuss, so in the previous video, here on Friday, okay, the main question was that will this up move sustain? Okay, so one thing you have to be very clear. Okay, so experience plays more than, I mean, sometimes I think experience plays more than 50% role in deciding what would be the psychology of the big players. Okay, so I mean, market was rising, right? And everyone got bullish. Okay, so market was rising there, but again the clear question was that will this up move sustain? So first of all, note down that in a bear market it's not like every day you would see red candles, आप short कर दोगे बस आप करोड़पति बन जाओगे. So it's not like you get a shortcut in making money. Okay, so even in a bear market you have to I mean, there would be various traps, and if you can avoid that, then only you would be the final winner. Okay, so again, there is no shortcut in any bullish or bearish market. So always there are traps. And what happens is that in bear markets, the stop loss is hunted severely. Okay, before the down move. So even like though it was going up, and then today also there was a gap up. So again, with the gap up and HDFC result going good, so everyone got most, I mean not everyone, like most of the people got bullish. Okay, but again, whatever happened today, okay, so we clearly discussed on Friday that is just this move is not going to sustain, and market is again going to reverse in some time. Why? Because from the from the first day, or even from the last video that I made on December. Okay, so from that day onwards, throughout this January month, I mean, in every video I kept on saying you that the FIIs have, a huge put buying quantity in the monthly option scene, right? So I kept on warning you. In almost all the videos, just go and check. I kept on warning you, okay? And yes, the question was, I answered it clearly that no, it won't sustain. And also, if you go and check, I also clearly said that I was having, short positions, okay? So, and call shots at 18,100, okay? So I clearly showed you that. So today morning there was some gap up, and so the first half an hour, so it was a little painful, but again, as I told you that I'll stick to my sell on rise thing. Okay, so yes, so we took positional at 18,100 as call writing positions. Okay, because put writers were closing on Friday at the very last 30 minutes. Okay, so why we took 18,100? Again, I clearly told you because 18,084 would be acting as resistance. Okay, so even you see today, like it went near to 18,084 and then got resistance. So this was the major level, 18,084. So that's why we went to 18,100 to be on the safer side, because if he shorted at 18,000 and if there was a gap up today, so then most of we would have panicked. Okay, so that's why, to be on the safer side, we went with 18,100, and it worked very well. Like even you saw that the premium went half. Okay, so 50% of the premium eroded just today. And yes, further we are going to, I think, I mean, tomorrow or in the coming days, the premiums are further going to erode, and we might shift below also. So yes, that was all the update. If you followed, you could have also shorted today morning when the price went up, and we were in pain in the first hour. But yes, now today morning what happened? Okay, so try. I mean, this was very important. That is, today morning when market opened, both side pulling started. Okay, so the bears and the bulls both were pulling from both the sides, and I clearly told that as of now there is no opportunity for the option buyers. Okay, so yeah, call writers still we were sticking to 18,100 call shots, but then yes, and also like if you go and notice the indicators gave a clear signal here. You see, from -1 to -33, Nifty 927, clear, I mean, it fell. Okay, the score fell, and it gave a clear signal that things are going to go down. But during this time, if you go and check the even 18,000 put side OI was increasing. Okay, there was a very huge OI on the put side as well, but score dropped. Even on in Bank Nifty also score dropped. Okay, so here at 930 score dropped, or you can say 933. Okay, so by that time we got to know that weakness was there, but I was waiting for Bank Nifty to break this level, because Nifty was at its resistance level, but Bank Nifty was yet to break its level of 42,550. If you go at 5 minutes chart, so if you see here, so I mean, it tried to come down, and again it took support here. So this was the major, like 939, I told that further fall is going to happen, though Bank Nifty came down, but again it went up, and it was showing that Bank Nifty is going to take support at this level. Okay, but then basically, I mean, taking the courage and analyzing properly and saying that things are, I mean, going to go down, so it's I mean, it's a very tough call. So like Nifty was okay, fine, it was getting resistance there, very nice, but for Bank Nifty still, like here there was a confusion. Okay, and with HDFC Bank getting some good news, so I mean, things were very tough here to decide for Bank Nifty, because if Bank Nifty did not break this level, okay, then Nifty also, like I mean, the further fall in Nifty also would have stopped, like then some zigzag move would have come. So to be very safe and sure, to be very sure about when we got very sure, then yes, we definitely took the trade. So yes, it was just at the perfect moment where the put buyers were coming into the picture, and yes, I clearly said that 939 further fall is expected, and both the indexes are going to get indices are going to get their resistance. Okay, and it was a very clear message, and yes, and also like in this tweet, I clearly said also, like where at 18,000 what was their put buying average price. Okay, so at 18,000 what was happening is, in the morning, I mean, here, let's see, so just for Nifty, what happened was 939 here took the position. So it went a little up, and then suddenly this drop. Okay, so and price went up by, at 18,000 price went up by 25%. Okay, but then again some more positions, I mean, the big guys wanted to take some more positions, and that's why again they took up here, and that's when I clearly said, even on Twitter also. So just check the time. The time is 10:07 a.m. So here I clearly told that 10:07 a.m. So like this is Nifty. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, So 10:05. So this candle you can think like when it went up here, okay, and again when everyone might have thought that again reversal came and now things are going to go up from here. I clearly said that the put buyers are present at 18,000 and their average price is 102. Okay, so so during like this time 9:39, I observed something, that is the put buyers were buying at the price of 107, then suddenly price dropped to 102 and they also started buying at 102. Okay, and then and between then price started fluctuating and then they started buying. So almost I calculated like the price was 102, their average price. Okay, so they also suddenly took it below 9 at till 98 and also some bought some, and so finally like from 107 to 98 they did this buying. Okay, and majorly the price of their average price was at around 102. Okay, and during this time when market went up, so then also it was a very nice opportunity. Price was almost around 102 and then finally dropped, and then you got to know that yes, put buyers were present there, not put writers at 18,000. Okay, so even like if you, okay, so let me open the data. So even if you notice, have noticed that is today FIIs did not buy, did not sell any further put position. So 16th December, January. So this is today and Friday. Now notice here, there are various things to note here. So coming to this end of the day data, so you see that they have reduced their futures long and futures short heavily increased, and things are looking bearish. So these futures short also, they were taken in the morning, I mean from 9:15 to 10. And sometime in the middle of the day also it was taken, but majority of the positions were taken in the morning. Okay, and here, so just think like if I mean at Nifty, I'm talking about the spot, not futures. So today's their average short their average price of shorting in the futures would be around this 18,000 to 18,040-50 max. Okay, so that's the thing. And here again in index, if you note that no so somewhat a little bit increase in put writing you would see, but just that is very negligible. So almost the same, no further put writing we can say, but huge call writing. Okay, so huge call writing has been done. And now notice the put buying positions. So put buying positions have been like they bought huge put, they bought huge put amount of put. So that is what I clearly said you. Okay, that they were buying, the big guys are buying puts, and now you can very well match it with the end of the day data. So I mean doing this during the live market hours is very difficult. So I think I deserve at least one like from you guys. So please do like the video and please do share it with the fellow traders who need such guidance and analysis. So yeah, but now coming to this thing, that is this call buying. Okay, so the call buying positions, if you see that I mean the amount of call shorts that have been done, so call buying positions are relatively less. Okay, so some call writing, so what it shows is that some of the call writing positions they have taken without even hedging. So they are very sure about their call writing positions, that which they are going to end worthless. Okay, so this is very important to note. And also like tomorrow is FinNifty expiry, and they have heavily shorted FinNifty as well. So FIIs are taking interest in FinNifty as well. So yeah, they have heavily call shorted FinNifty. And the put buying, again as I told you clearly, that I mean, things would become clear as days goes on, because I mean, they are increasing their put buyings and things are not looking good, and you would definitely see the move within a very few days. So again, like you see that the move, like what you are expecting might not just come today, sorry, tomorrow, because data is looking bearish and everyone can say that. So all the telegram channels, every Twitter member, so anyone would, if tomorrow's everyone call would be sell on rise, okay, or just sell or put buy kar lo. So please be careful about that. Okay, so there would be some twist. Without any twist, I mean, you won't, so it's not very easy, like आप सुबह सुबह मतलब बैठ गए, put buying कर लिया और आपका money double हो गया. So we have seen that even in the past, that is, though data is bearish, but we did not see the move, but after 1 or 2 days the move finally came. So yes, the move can, I'm not saying that the move cannot come tomorrow, it can come, but again, wait for the twist. Okay, so there has to be some twist, and or otherwise, like, there would be a sharp fall or a very large gap down or whatever. Okay, so that I mean, the retail traders don't get any chance, or the retail traders they lose out the opportunity. Okay, so I mean, be careful about that. And yes, so for the call writers who are option sellers, just call write karke baith jao, so it's a very good opportunity. But for the option buyers, again, I would say that if you have money, like, you can just go ahead February expiry and just do put buying and sit there. Okay, so let it take even 7 days to fall, so you wouldn't have to worry. But for the option buyers who have who does current buying, so I mean, current option chain, there you buy, so please be careful. You have to figure out the perfect opportunity for entry, like how we did today. Okay, so I mean, that's what I would say. And yes, if you want such live analysis, you can, again, you're almost welcome to be a part of our family. And that's all the major things I think I have discussed. Let me just check once. Yeah, so FIIs have like almost sold, but I mean, the DIs have almost bought as much as the FIIs sold. So, but again, it's not like the amount of buying and selling, because where the buying and selling is happening, that is important. So again, coming to Nifty, so if you again go to the 1 day chart, the levels are working very nicely. Like, if you see that, I mean, Nifty came and very near to this level that we talked about, 17,850. Okay, so there again it took support today, but as we kept saying, like, Nifty is trading between these two levels, and one of them is going to break very soon. And also for Bank Nifty also, even go and check the last video. I clearly showed, if you just go into 1 day chart, you could very clearly see that again Bank Nifty also trading between these two levels, and one of them is soon going to break. Okay, so yeah, so that's, so let me again repeat this level. So this is like I mean, the upper level is at 42,550, and the below level is at 42,000, and if that breaks, 41,853. Okay, and if that also breaks, then 41,000. So those are the levels, and I think I have discussed. So call writers can use these levels and take short positions accordingly. And that's, I think, it's for today. If you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So I mean, for a very long time this consolidation is going on, and this thing is soon going to break. Okay, and yes, so I think I have discussed everything here. So let me see if you have any queries. Yeah, hi Harish, waiting for start. Okay, thanks a lot for the waiting. Gautam, hi, blast analysis. Thank you. Praveen, great analysis, sir. Everyone was bullish over weekend due to hammer candle formed in Bank Nifty. So one thing you should have noticed, like on Friday on one day time frame, but they surprised everyone. Yes. So one thing, if you have I mean those who follow me, they very well have noticed that I'm not a very big fan of price action. Okay, so all these patterns and everything are very common and everyone knows them. And even, I mean, don't you think like the people who are I mean taking trades worth of billions of dollars, like so they don't, I mean you very well know, like I mean they take huge positions. Suppose the FI is altogether, they would be having like more than 1000 or 2000 CR, and also they have like billions of dollars invested in the market. So don't you think they don't know all these things that what people know of? So again, that's why I don't even like look at, very rarely I go with price action. But price action I feel is something which I mean can be, I mean, very well used to fool the retail traders. Okay, and also I also told you in option chain, the one thing is this OI, change in OI or OI data. So alone OI data, again you can be fooled if you just follow that. Okay, so these are the data which are, yeah, I would see, change in OI data, I'm not telling you not to follow, but just sticking to that data, that's what I'm saying, don't do that. Okay, so think like how I am doing it, how I am finding out that put buyers are active, how the indicator scores are dropping, though on the put side OI is increasing. Okay, so yes, data can tell you a lot of things if you collectively see the data, but if you just see at just one variable, so you won't get the whole picture. So yeah, so that's it for today, I think. So again, for call writers, stick to your positions of call writing, and so it's not any recommendation. Okay, so again it's just for educational purpose, and yeah, so I would stick to my call writing positions. And if further like since put buying is going on, so I'll just come down to even 18,000 or 17,900 tomorrow and do call writing. And if possible, I can also do at 17,800. Again, I can go totally wrong, but that it's up to you. So you know my accuracy, and rest is up to you. Okay. And yes, for the put buying opportunity, again I would take some put buying in the monthly option chain or even in the February monthly option chain. And if I see that in the current one also put buying going on tomorrow, because today the put buying went. Okay, so I mean these put buyings are still there. Okay, so please be careful, like they so if you see that 18,000 put buy put side price went below 102, then you know that it's again going to go above that. So yeah, so that's the thing, and they are still carrying those positions. Okay, so yeah, so again if I notice that further put buying is going on in the month in the current expiry, I'll just take those positions, but that totally depends on the intraday. But yeah, so that's it for today. Data saw on indicator. Yeah, hi Krishna. So yeah, you are a member, so you have access. So yeah, so I think that's it for today. So again, any stop loss hunting, sudden spikes, so please be careful about all those things. Okay, I mean earning in the stock market is not that easy. So if everyone is bearish tomorrow, then spikes can come, anything can happen. So then you have to know what to do. So yeah, so I'll end it here today. So thanks for watching, and please do like the video and share it with the others. And yeah, keep learning, keep watching, and trade safely. See you in the next one.